Welcome to Ask and Learn.
First of all, we will draw the free body diagram of rod AB. So rod AB is like this, and velocity of point A is upward and velocity of B is along this direction. We have considered this direction as per our consideration. Now we draw perpendicular from these two lines to get instantaneous center, and this point is called instantaneous center. So say this is CAB. This point is A and this point is B. Okay, and from here we have velocity of point D along this direction, VD. Okay, and this is our value 3, 4 and this is 5 from the geometry. Okay, and this is our 20 inch, and this is our 7.5 inch, and this is our 10 inch from the given diagram. Okay, these are the distances. Now we can write for point B, VB equals to BCAB multiplied by omega AB, and we have already given that VB equals to 24 inch per second and VCAB from the geometry is 20 inch. Okay, multiplied by omega AB. So from here angular speed of rod AB, that is omega AB, comes out to be 1.2 radian per second. So this is the answer for the part A of this question. There is actually no parts. We have to just simply determine the angular speed of both rods and velocity of point E. So this is our angular speed of rod AB. Now velocity of point D, we can write DCAB equals to 12.5 inch from the geometry. So VD will be equals to DCAB multiplied by omega AB. So from here VD comes out to be 12.5 multiplied by 1.2 radian per second. So it comes out to be 15 inch per second. So now we will draw the free body diagram for the rod DE. This is our rod DE. This is point D and this is point E. Okay, so now velocity of point D is along this direction, VD, and velocity of point E will be along this direction, VE. So now drawing perpendicular from these two, we get instantaneous center along this. So this is our point CDE. Okay, now from the geometry we can determine these distances, and this distance comes out to be this, and this is already given 15 inch. Okay, and this distance comes out to be from the geometry is 4 by 3 of 20, that is 26.667 inch. Okay, so now we can write the value of DCE equals to 20 square plus 26.667 square whole under root, and this value comes out to be 33.333 inch DCDE. Okay, this value from this point to this point. Okay, now velocity of point D will be DCDE multiplied by omega DE, and we have PD equals to 15 inch and this value as 33.333 inch and omega DE. So from here omega DE comes out to be 0.45 radian per second along this manner. Okay, so this is the answer for the angular speed of rod DE. Now linear speed of point E will be equals to EC DE multiplied by omega DE. Okay, and we have this value as 11.667 multiplied by omega dE is 0.45 radian per second. So from here VE comes out to be 5.25 inch per second. So this is the velocity of point E of this problem, and this direction will also be along this.